I just made $120,000. We trade crypto members, we made 1200%. Guys, take a look this. Take a look how many coins we trade in the last 5 days. I don't have to go and explain to you how this thing works. Basically, the bottom line is we trade coins based on volume. That's what we're looking for. Take a look at this volume on the last hour. 1.2 million, 500,000, 5 million, 4 million, 2 million, 1.31 million, 672,000. Guys, if I just made $120,000, you can make the same profits I do, because the strategy is pretty simple. We buy low right here before the pump and you sell up here. Okay, most of these people you see the internet, they lose money because they keep trading the same coins. Basically, they focus on those coins here. This, I call them the main coins. You only trade those coins if you see volume spike, guys. Okay, let me give you an example here. I got 2 examples. Let's talk about Bitcoin after this simple example I'm gonna show you. Example, AllianceBlock. Nobody never hear about this coin, but take a look at this coin. This coin gave me $7,000. I shared this trade in the private release on October 1st. We bought this coin for 0.03 cents, and you put a sell order right here, 0.65. I made $7,000, 70% profit. Okay, so the strategy is pretty simple, guys. My softwares keep tracking the market 24/7. And my software calculate volume spike plus buyer power. You see the volume here? It's calculating 24/7. So my software alert me before the price pump, and I share my trades in the private list. And you just made 1200% profit. Okay? Like I mentioned before, we don't care when you trade. You do trade stocks or crypto, whatever it is. You don't care for the price, man. Price is just a detail. Take a look at this price, 0.05. Okay? 2 cents, 17 cents, 24 cents, 3 cents, 0.009. This stupid Dapp radar gave us 70% profit. I made $7,000 because we don't care for the price. We care for the volume. The money is here, guys. It's not here. Okay? Let's talk about Bitcoin. On my last video, I mentioned, guys, we have this resistance here. All the way down here, we have to break the resistance first, right? And we broke the resistance, but don't get too excited. Just because we broke the resistance doesn't mean the price goes up. I told you before, this is important. Bitcoin is being traded by waves. Okay, you just need to be on the right side of the wave. Okay, look, Bitcoin broke the resistance, went up here to $20,000. Now is crashing down to hit this resistance here. It's important Bitcoin does this move, because if he hit the resistance, he might stay above the resistance. If he stay above the resistance, it's cool, right? It's positive for us to trade Bitcoin. But if he break the resistance down, that means he failed to break up the resistance. Okay, but I'll let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. Our last call in Bitcoin was to buy Bitcoin right here for $36,000, and you sold the Bitcoin right here, right on the resistance, guys, right on the resistance. Okay, we sold the 45. But let me show you something very important. People always pay attention only the price. You have to pay attention on the indicators. This white line here is called RSI. At the same time, when the Bitcoin hit the resistance here, the RSIs give me a divergence, bearish signal. That's the reason we sold right here, guys. I don't have a crystal ball. I have a knowledge, guys. I've been doing this for 10 years now. I was doing stock market. Now I only focus on crypto, because we will make way, but way more money. Okay, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. By the way, guys, if you like to get a free platform to trade, reach me out, because I'm gonna provide you a free platform to trade. Okay, thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Have a good day. Bye bye.